What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. Hope you're having a great day and super excited about MSB, my software business. And we're just super excited. We're creating momentum in our group. As you can see right here, this is our group right now. And we have just different team members welcoming new team members, making those unlimited $200 commissions. And we created banners, right, for people that are taking massive action, congratulating them for getting started. So that is super exciting. Once you get started, you're going to be added to this group. We actually just did a live coaching session with one of the marketers in there. So you'll be part of live coaching sessions where we're going to be doing Q&As and then giving you guys step-by-step training to get started. One of our team members, my team member, she joined me in the beginning of when we first, launched this opportunity. She made $3,600 in 4 days just to show you what is possible having your own virtual assistant, right? Helping you close your sales. Okay. That's why a lot of people get started with making money online or working from home, is because you can, have time freedom. You can be out and about doing the things that you love, spending time with your family. And in the back end, you have a business that is running for you 24/7. And I'm going to show you different strategies that I have used, that my team members are using to crush this, right? Where you're going to be able to set up systems in place so that you can have a business that is running for you 24/7, right? I only want to work with people that are, serious about changing their lives this year and are ready to start earning these unlimited $200 commissions, right? If that is you, get started with the team today. Click on the link below as a special bonus, right? Because the more that I help you, the more that I help myself. So as a special bonus, once you get started with the team, you will get added to not only my Facebook coaching group, but you're also going to get the 6K month blueprint, okay? The bonus training. So you're going to get a link. You're going to be able to create an account, and you're going to have access to this back office. This is my specific training. And it's showing you exactly how to do this, right? Step by step, showing you how to, set up your profile for success, exactly what strategies I'm using, right, to create results. I'm partially on autopilot. So this is exactly what you're going to get. I also already created some marketing material. You're just going to be copying and pasting, right? You can start using these, and then we have some marketing material already with these images. You can also use them so that you can start creating results for yourself, okay? And the beautiful thing is that once you get started, right, you're going to be able to leverage my training and give it to your team so that I can train them, right? So that I can show them step by step on how to get started. So you don't have to worry about, training your team. You're going to be able to give the 6K blueprint bonus training to your team so that they can also start duplicating these results. So take massive action today, right? And other than that, I will see you at the top. You can go to digitalprofitsmarketing.com. Message me on Facebook if you have any questions. But other than that, I will see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.